How to recover Zangi account. Now, first and foremost, you have to keep in mind that doing this process is not going to be helping out by doing or using the Zangi application because there is no direct option for you to be able to just simply report an issue or just simply recover your account option directly from Zangi settings. So what you want to do is just simply use any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, and then just simply type in Zangi support. Now it is usually located at the very first result. Just simply tap on that, and then you will be redirected to Zangi customer service. So in this information right here, the one that you will be filling out is the information or your credentials that you use on Zangi where you would like the account to be recovered. So input your Zangi account name, company name, optional, and as well as the email address that you used on your Zangi account. Now, from the message field, all you have to do is just to be specific on what exactly happened, why your account was deleted or was prohibiting you to log in. Now, you'll have an option to tick these boxes right here and then just simply complete this small captcha and hit on send. And just simply wait for the customer service support to get in touch with you so that you will be provided with a strong and solid resolution to recover your account. And that is how you recover your Zangi account.